Hey, Alex. I'm your favorite Quasimodo from the internet. I'm numb on the right side of my face, but I turn it into a hero story. If I can use videos to build my audience and launch my products, then you can do it too, right? I want to show you how to use AI to create videos without fancy gear. On the screen is a video I made for you about how I use my voice for video creation. Are you interested in using videos to get more subscribers or product launches? Let's dive in. Step 1. Voice cloning with AI. Clone your voice with a few samples. The best part is, you have to clone your voice just once, and you can reuse it over and over again. Step 2. Craft your video script. Use AI to generate a ready-to-go video script. Step 3. Create a voiceover with your cloned voice. Use the video script you generated and create the voiceover. Step 4. Generate a video using AI. AI combines your voiceover with video clips automatically. You can modify or use your own recordings. Step 5. Fine-tune and publish. Optimize settings with a compelling title, description, and tags. Tip: refine your script before generating the voiceover or video. Don't forget a strong call to action. I wanted to demonstrate to you how super fast it is. Creating AI-powered videos is an easy and effective way to quickly build and launch to a hungry audience. Even with a numb face, you can use your own voice. How awesome is that? Subscribe to download my free guide below. Comment below if you have any questions. Happy launching!